be faster with the Glock. Also, you can side hop and it's gonna go faster. Like you're literally gonna get anti-cheat. See? Yeah. And then look here. It's way slower. You literally get anti-cheated by this. So you can so how you do it is you need. I'm pretty sure this is if mobile shift lock. That's good, but yeah. So you need like shift lock and then you like side jump. Maybe this is just an old glitch and I still don't know about it. I'm still making a video. Oh well. Maybe it's not. Well, that's pretty much it. You just gotta not really a lot to do. Anyways, hope you guys got some from this tutorial and yeah. Goodbye. This is editor wheat and it got patched. So yeah, that's kinda sad. But it worked before. So anyways, thanks for watching and see ya.